Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing well. So in today's video, I will show you how you can create lookalike. So in the previous video, we have already created the custom audience for ourselves. You can see here we have created the Facebook page 365 days retention, custom audience, Instagram 365 days retention, and our website visitors 30 days and 90 days website traffic retention. So we have the custom audience already created for us. If you don't know how to create custom audience for yourself, you can watch my previous video on how to create custom audience for your Facebook ads, and you can come back to this video to create lookalikes for your custom audience. So we have the setup here, and we'll go into our ad manager and into our event manager where we can create lookalikes from this custom audience. So before going into the video, let me tell you a little bit about myself. I have been helping out business owners and individuals to run their Facebook campaigns and helping them out to optimize their ad accounts, and with their Go High Level account where they have been stuck with the landing pages or the snapshots or the integrations. So if you want, I can also look into your campaigns and help you out optimizing your ad campaigns and give you quality leads. I will drop a link in the video description so you can book a call with me. So let's jump into the video. We have already set up the custom audience. So what we need to do, you can click here in all tools and click on audience. So once you click here, it will take you to the page where you can create all the custom audience here. And once you have the custom audience, so you cannot create lookalikes if you don't have a custom audience first. So first create custom audience, and then once you have the custom audience, just click on create and lookalike. So here it will ask you from which source you need to create the lookalike for. So we'll select our custom audience, which we already created. So before that, you need to confirm the exact pixels you have created for your custom audience. So we have matched the pixels here 99, and we have the pixel ID here. So we'll use these pixels for our ad, and we have the combined event source here. So let's do this one. And so what we'll do, we'll not include any purchase because we don't have anything related on our website where people buy. So we'll use the location. So let's use the United States, and it will ask that what percentage you need to look like how many percentage of lookalike audience you need to create. So it will be the 0 to 1%, means that the 1% will be similar to the audience you have provided to the event manager. So it will be more similar to your audience. So the percentage here means that how similar you want your audience to be. So in the audience size, we need to choose that which percentage or how many number of lookalikes we need to create. So the minimum number of percentage you put will be more similar audience created by event manager. So less percentage means more similar, and if you create more percentage similar or more percentage audience or lookalike audience, it will be a variety of audience created for you. So less similarity for more percentage, and minimum percentage means more similar to your audience which you have provided to the event manager. So normally what I do, I just create 1% of audience, so it is more similar to the ones which I am targeting. But if the campaign is not going well and it's not performing well for how we want it, so I create 2% of audience, two different similarities, so we can check the optimization and the response here. What we need to do after that, we just need to click create, and it will create two different lookalikes for us, 1% and 1 to 2%. So once we do that, okay guys, so I need to change the account because on that account we didn't had much data collected. It was a new account, so we didn't have, you need to have at least 100 people from the same country visited to your website or any sources you have created in the custom audience. So it's a new account, we don't have much data in it. Before creating custom audience, always remember to give your ads some time, like month or 2 months, so you have collected a really good data. So we didn't had much data over there, that's why the audience was not created. But I can still show you the result, what will happen when you click on the create audience here. The same setup I have added here, just change the pixels, and we have everything set up correctly here. We just click on create account, and now it will create a lookalike audience for us. So once you click on the create audience, it will create all the 1%, 2% audiences for you for lookalike. And once you have all the data collected in your lookalike audience, you can go back to your ad manager and start adding the lookalikes here. So how you can do that here? So once you have created all your lookalikes and you have all the 1%, 2%, 3% lookalike created, it will be ready in 5 to 10 minutes, but you can use all your lookalikes and custom audience instantly in your ad account. So what we need to do now, we will go back to our ad manager, and in our ad manager, we'll go to our ad set level. If you already have a campaign running for lookalike or you're creating a new campaign, it doesn't matter. You can create a new ad set in your live campaign, or you can create a new campaign for your ad set. Once you have that, so right right now we have the custom audience created for this account, and we have already included all the lookalikes and custom audience in this ad set. So then once we have created, we will just click here and it will give us options that what you need to add here. So we don't need the custom audience because we have already added all the custom audience in our ad. So we'll create 2 new lookalikes. We'll add these 2 in our ad set. And once we do that, we just need to publish the campaign. We don't need to do anything else in this ad set because lookalikes and the audience retargeting only requires you to add the custom audience in it. And once you do that, you can also, if you want, you can also set up the languages and everything in this ad set, which will specific to the audience. And you can add the detail targeting here. But what I do, I separate the detail targeting in the interest ad set. So here I put all the targetings and I don't include the custom audience here. So I add all the targetings here, and once I do that, I have 2 different ad sets, the lookalike one and the interest one. So now I know that which interest working well for the campaign, and after collecting all those data, I create another 4th campaign where I include the interest which I have collected from the ad set and the lookalikes which I have collected from a different ad set, and create one combined ad set because now I have a good data to work on. So now I have a good data to work on. So this helps me optimize the campaign and create more good quality leads. So guys, I hope this video helps you to understand how you can create a lookalike from the audience and the custom audience you have created in your event manager, and how you can use them in your ad set. I will see you in the next video. Till then, subscribe the channel and like this video. Thank you.